Hey everyone, welcome to RC World. Today, this is just part one of this video because I thought I didn't do a build video of this trailer, but I want to show it to you guys anyway because I really didn't know how it was gonna go, so I didn't really want to do the build videos. I thought it was just gonna be a complete failure, which is, I mean, it wasn't really a complete failure. It did pretty good. So I'll kind of just go through on how I did it. There's still some modifications, like trying to get those screws right there to not be so, But basically just this is a nice three-way hinge with 3 screws pieces on it, and it kind of just folds up and out. And I did this one other part on the back side so that it can fall, but not fall all the way down. This side can kind of fall all the way down. But so basically these are old tractor wheels. They're from it's like a tractor type mower thing that has the wheels that are on the bottom of the blade cutter that kind of loves out the blade cutter, and so I kind of just put those in there. You can tell that they're not completely level. They're not steady right there. Neither is the other one. But I used grease and greased them up really good and put some washers here because this one didn't want to stay down so good. And then, so those worked out pretty good. They move around a little bit, but I tested it with sitting a car on top, and I actually made this whole platform a little bit too, kind of narrow. I kind of wanted it should have been out a little bit more, but that was my bad. But it held my biggest car pretty good, so, and you can tell I just nailed, there's here, let me see if I can get, see if I can actually get a better view here. So basically there's 2 pieces of tiny plywood, or I hope that's plywood, whatever it is. It was the best wood I could find. And it's just basically nailed down like that. And then it's basically a simple design. And you can see here the towing part. I actually had to level these down a little bit so that it would be as level as possible with Gen 8. And that's basically it. I mean, and me and my father, created this giant one, which was the first one for our actual mower, and I based it off this design. I know you can see that those are just bicycle tires, so I thought I'd design it off the real one. And I'll show you what I did on Gen 8. I really don't like this design, what I did on Gen 8, but, so right here, I have this piece right here, and it moves around a little bit. I don't really like it moving around a bit, but, and then the tying piece goes right here. And the way I level the wheels on it is I level the weight perfectly so that it doesn't push on Gen 8's shocks too bad. And actually, at one point, they were starting to lift them up a little bit, which is kind of good, I guess. And there's lots of play in it because you want lots of play. Well, at least for my Gen 8, I guess I like lots of play. So when I'm bumpy surfaces, because I care more about Gen 8 than the actual trailer, if for scratching, this was scratching and stuff. But yeah, it worked out really good. Part 2 of this video will be me doing it. So driving it with I might put Volcano back on top of it. But yeah. And yeah, here we go. Watch part 2. Thanks for watching though. Please subscribe.